Yes. Now, what did we learn? Like a recapitulation, we learned how to create a new GitHub account by going on github.com. After creating a GitHub account, I showed how to tune or to personalize your account by clicking on the left bar. You can, where you can add on your profile, you can add your status, you can add your profile, you can edit your profile by clicking on your profile. Then you come here, you can edit it. You add a different name. You can add, of course, your bio. You can add your pronouns, company, and of course position when you are now, where you are now, location. You can also display a current timestamp, and of course the website, and you put of course the LinkedIn account of social media, added also a Twitter account, and of course you save. Then after that you provide your profile. You can edit it, add another profile picture, and so on. We have seen also together how to work on what we call repositories by creating this is the dashboard. You click here on add new repository, which you provide a name, and of course the name must be a one which is not existing. Like here I choose by default, and you can see this one is existing already. You have to provide one which is not existing. Like here added only one, and the repository is validated or available. Now of course you have to add a description, which is optional of course, and of course the repository can be public or private. Public will be accessed by everybody on the internet, but private will be accessed by you and your collaborators. We have seen already the role, the importance of adding readme file, which will help you to make the project understandable by others by providing links for CDNs which you added in your project, or other explanations, or even dataset which you provided from somewhere else online. You can add of course also gitignore file, which will be a links which can protect your repository to be shared online, or your codes, or even your credentials. Mostly when it is a database, credentials to log in must be secured by using gitignore file. You don't have to push it online. It must be setted and work on locally. And of course a license if you do have. We have seen together how to manage of course repositories here online. Like for example, to add collaborators, which you have to go in your repository, then you click on settings. Then after clicking on settings, you click on collaborators. Then you can add different collaborator here. You click on this one, then you put either username, full name, or email. Me, I prefer using username. I put for example my username, and here I choose it, then you add it. Then from there we have seen also how to do git add all, let me clear here. We have seen to do git add all, which is to set up a set of code which will be, or a set of information which will be pushed, which is, it is like keep ready or get ready a set of information which will be pushed online. After git add all, we have seen of course git commit, which will help you, and you put a message which helps you to create an understandable ID which can make you remember what you did at a certain time. And of course we have seen git add origin, git remot add origin, which will help you to add a link where you can help you to either fetch data, pull data, and push data. We have seen of course again git remote rm origin, which will help you to remove origin if you made a mistake somewhere. And of course we have seen git show origin, which will help you to visualize origins which you do have in your repository. Then after that we have even see git checkout -b, and you provide the name of the branch. Then with this one will help you to create a new branch, and we have seen of course git checkout, and you provide the name of the branch. This one will help you to shift from a branch to another one. And we have seen, of course, git reset soft, which will help you to change by providing a specific ID, which will help you to remove modification added by git add all and git commit from a specific ID to another ID, like we're going from a high ID to a low ID. But this one will remove change, but change will be there. If you want, you can again change something, then you do git add all and git commit. But if we use git reset hard, this one will completely remove the modification from a specific ID to a specific ID, from a top level ID to a low ID. This is git reset hard. We have seen together also git pull origin, the name of the branch, which will help you to get data from the origin to your local branch. Now we have seen again git push origin, and you provide the name of the branch, which will help you to push data from your local data to the online and from the online repository. Those two query, push and pull, they help you to fetch and to send data, to send the information, or to send the different modification you did locally. Then after that, we have seen also how to merge, git merge. We have seen, of course, git merge. From here I can say, I can do git merge, and you provide a name of the branch. Now this query will help you to take data from the other branch, which is here, and you add the modification to that main branch which we do have here. Means that modification or code or information which is in that branch will be combined to that branch. And sometimes you get conflict, and to solve conflict is just to accept the incoming change, or even to just decline the incoming change, then you accept the current change. Thank you. I think this is the summary, and stay tuned for the coming last video, which will help us together to push an online website, or even a small blog, to GitHub account. Thank you. Stay tuned and keep following and keep learning more. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe on that chain. Thank you.